How to log into Snap if you've forgotten your password and email. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's episode, I'll be showing you the ways on how you can log in into your Snapchat account if you've forgotten your credential. If you're unable to log in into your Snapchat account because you've forgotten your information, then the other alternative is that you can just simply go ahead and contact the support team. So for that, you need to open up a browser and then on the web address bar type in www.snapchat.support.com. After that, it's going to direct you to the help center page. Right on the page, scroll down right to the bottom and you can see there's the button as contact us. You simply go ahead and tap on the button. You can just go ahead and submit a request. So for that, you can just basically select any of these options, such as I can't access my account. After that, you need to tell more about it, that you've forgotten your information and all that. After that, it's going to submit a request. So for that, you need to type in your information. So scroll down right to the bottom and tap on the still need help button and tap the yes in the right hand side corner. Over here, you'll be able to see a field where you can actually submit a request. So in order to submit a request, you need to provide in the username associated with your Snapchat account, any of the active email address, since you've forgotten your email. So if you know your email, then it'd be better because it's gonna help you log in into your account. So type in any of these following active email address or give any of the email address, and for the phone number as well, if you have any phone number that's active, you can do that as well, and type in the description stating that you've forgotten both of your credential, that is your contact information, email and phone number, and you basically need help with logging in. So they'll look into your matter. Make sure to give a valid reason. It proves that you've actually lost your account. After that, it's gonna usually take 24 to 48 hours in order to respond. So that's basically how you can recover Snapchat without phone number and email, or if you've forgotten your password or email. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.